Hello guys, what I'm gonna show you today is how you can get Premiere Pro templates using Motion Array, okay? I explained to you in another long tutorial how you can basically use these templates, but I'm gonna show you today very quickly how you can get them for Premiere Pro. So what are you gonna do? You're just gonna come to Premiere Pro in here. I just want you to log in, and I want you to go to Adobe Premiere Pro section in the video templates section. Now, as I explained to you, you basically have to filter using whatever filter you want. If you want an intro, you have to go to the intro section, like an opener, or you want like an infographics, again, the same, and things like that. And keep in mind, guys, that if you're using like a free account, you just have to click on free templates in here, okay? Otherwise, you're gonna have to pay for this. All right, so once you have the template that you want to use in here, you just have to click on it and start downloading it, okay? Now, usually this is going to be downloaded as a zip file, like a compressed folder that you have to uncompress and execute. Depending on the kind of file that it is, you're gonna have to execute like a Premiere project, or if you have used this section, the MOGRT, you're gonna have to import it and install the motion graphics template. But usually, you're just gonna have to open the Premiere project once you export the file, okay? So yep, that's pretty much it, and thank you so much, guys.